example. Let's look at the volume in row 7. Notice the lowest volume is 21,637,007. Let's change the minimum on the y-axis as 0 and see what we get. So to do this, let's go into our formula and let's add the attribute. Notice that the line graph does not start at the bottom of the cell anymore, and the steepness of the curve is less. The syntax when using the second parameter is, when defining the attribute, we need to have the attribute name and the value for the attribute in a pair separated by a comma. Multiple attributes are separated by semicolons. And hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.